Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable desktop notifications on Google Meet. So if you're missing meeting alerts or call notifications, this will fix it step by step. So first, open your browser and go to Google Meet. You can access it by typing meet.google.com in your address bar and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Now, this is the most important part. If you're using Google Chrome, click the lock icon beside the website URL. Find notifications and set it to allow. So enable it just like that. If notifications are blocked, Google Meet won't be able to alert you. Next, if you still don't get alerts, click the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings. Now at the left side, click on Privacy and Security. Select Site Settings down here and look for Notifications and tap on it. Make sure Sites can ask to send notifications is turned on and Google Meet is not listed under block. Now next, what you can do is to check your system settings. So on Windows, click the Start menu, go to Settings, next, select System, and click on Notifications. Now make sure notifications are enabled for your browser like Chrome or Edge. So look for the Chrome right here and make sure it's turned on. Or if you're using Edge, look for Edge and make sure it's turned on. Next, let's go back to Google Meet and join or start a meeting. So try sending an invite or waiting for a call notification to confirm everything is working. And that's basically it. You've successfully enabled desktop notifications for Google Meet on your PC. And for the last step, you can go to Settings right here at the top right, go to General, and look for desktop notifications and make sure it's turned on. Then close it and see if it works. And that's it. You've successfully enabled desktop notifications for Google Meet on your PC. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in the next one.